Legend has it the stars fell on Alabama, rocket ships, Auburn Tigers and the Crimson Tide, Hallelujahs and Hank Sr., from Muscle Shoals to the Blues and Bama Q. Pull up a chair with the Alabama Barbecue Association as they travel the South, searching for the next grand champion pitmaster.
Bama Q, way down south.
Winner chicken dinner. So now we're just doing the proper placement. Because we do legs, they're a little bit bigger piece of meat, so you have to kind of figure out a way to get them in there and make them all look uniform. And some of that was done by the simple fact that we weigh our legs.
All right, we got the ribs ready. We'll let them vent for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to sauce them. We got them in the form. We're going to put some sauce on them, and then we're going to set the sauce in the pit, back in the pit. So we got them on the pit. We're going to set the sauce. See the bones pulled back. That was in the wrap. Now we're going to sauce it and let that tack up. It's a little wet right now, but it'll tack on up, and then we'll tack it in and put them in the box.
Got to get the right thickness and the right cuts for the judges to like it. Got to be consistent and even.
Go with the grain, paint the bones.
What we're trying to do is keep the temperature right at 275. As you can see, it's kind of dipping a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and add a few logs on and get the fire rolling again.
Roll Tide. 4 calls, reserve. Let's go.
We're happy.
I'll be back again. Never quit, never say die. It's barbecue.
Bama Q, way down south.